Alright, hello, this is Todd from Red River Tactical and Outdoors. Coming to you today with a review on a steel plate that I purchased from Bullseye Metals out of Clarksville, Tennessee. We're looking to do the range, get a lot more steel plates out here to shoot at, and found Bullseye Metals actually on eBay and looked them up. They're at bullseyemetals.com on the web. They also are on eBay and Amazon, and they offer free shipping. And I try to buy local every chance I get, so I found them out of Clarksville and purchased this one, got it in. It's a very high quality 9-inch, 3/8-inch steel AR500 plate. Of course, we put our logo on the back of it, but very good plate. Nice rounded edges, nice rounded around the hole, no rough edges on the plate anywhere. We put some rounds on it. It's very excellent. Hang it on a shepherd's hook and you're good to go. So again, AR500 steel plates, Bullseye Metals. Check them out on the web, check them out on Amazon and eBay. Give them a try. You'll be pleased with the product. Once again, Todd from Red River Tactical and Outdoors. Have a good day. Be safe.